Plants bring us joy. They are more than just decorations. They are living companions that brighten our days and purify the air we breathe. Whether it's the lush green leaves of a fern or the vibrant blooms of a hibiscus, plants have a way of making any space feel more alive and welcoming. Their green leaves and vibrant flowers fill our homes with life. They create a serene environment that can help reduce stress and improve our overall well-being. Studies have shown that being around plants can boost our mood and even increase productivity. It's no wonder that more and more people are bringing plants into their homes and workplaces. But caring for plants can be tricky. Each plant has its own unique needs, and it can be challenging to keep track of how much water, light, and nutrients they require. Overwatering, underwatering, and insufficient light are common issues that can lead to unhealthy plants. For many, the joy of having plants is often overshadowed by the stress of keeping them alive. Sometimes we forget to water them, or they don't get enough light. Life gets busy, and it's easy to overlook the needs of our green friends. Before we know it, our once thriving plants can start to wither and lose their vibrancy. It's a disheartening experience that can make us feel like we're not cut out to be plant parents. This is where LeafyPod comes in. LeafyPod is designed to take the guesswork out of plant care, making it easier for anyone to enjoy the benefits of having plants without the hassle. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a complete beginner, LeafyPod can help you keep your plants healthy and happy. LeafyPod is an AI planter. It's equipped with advanced sensors and smart technology that monitor the needs of your plants in real time. From soil moisture levels to light intensity, LeafyPod keeps track of everything and makes adjustments as needed. It's like having a personal gardener who never takes a day off. It acts as your plant's new best friend. LeafyPod not only ensures that your plants get the right amount of water and light, but it also provides valuable insights and tips to help you become a better plant parent. Through its companion app, you can receive notifications and recommendations tailored to the specific needs of your plants. LeafyPod helps you care for your plants. It automatically waters them when the soil gets too dry and adjusts the light settings to ensure they get the optimal amount of light. You can even customize the settings to match the specific requirements of different plants, making it versatile and adaptable to any plant collection. It makes sure they have what they need to thrive. With LeafyPod, you can say goodbye to the guesswork and hello to a thriving indoor garden. Your plants will flourish, and you'll have more time to enjoy their beauty and the calming presence they bring to your space. With LeafyPod, you can enjoy the beauty of plants without the stress. Imagine coming home to a lush green oasis where every plant is thriving. You can relax on your couch, read a book, or simply unwind, knowing that LeafyPod is taking care of your plant's needs. LeafyPod is easy to use. The setup process is straightforward, and the intuitive app interface makes it simple to monitor and manage your plants. You can control LeafyPod from your smartphone, making it convenient to check on your plants even when you're not at home. Simply plant your favorite plant in the LeafyPod. The planter is designed to accommodate a wide variety of plants, from small succulents to larger houseplants. Once your plant is in place, LeafyPod takes over, ensuring it gets the care it needs to grow and thrive. Then sit back and relax. Let LeafyPod handle the watering, lighting, and monitoring. You can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your plants are in good hands. Whether you're at home or away, LeafyPod keeps your plants healthy and happy. Let LeafyPod take care of the rest. It's that simple. With LeafyPod, you can transform your home into a green sanctuary without the stress and effort of traditional plant care. Embrace the joy of having plants and let LeafyPod be the helping hand your leafy friends deserve. All plants need light to grow. Light is essential for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy. This energy is stored in the form of glucose, which plants use to fuel their growth and development. Without adequate light, plants cannot produce the energy they need to thrive. Light is like food for plants. Just as humans need food to survive and grow, plants need light to carry out photosynthesis. The chlorophyll in plant leaves absorbs light, primarily from the sun, and uses it to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. This process not only sustains the plant, but also produces the oxygen we breathe. But different plants need different amounts of light. Some plants, like cacti and succulents, thrive in bright, direct sunlight, while others, like ferns and mosses, prefer low-light conditions. LeafyPod understands this diversity in plant needs and is designed to cater to the specific light requirements of each plant. LeafyPod has a built-in sensor. This advanced sensor technology allows LeafyPod to monitor the light levels in your plant's environment continuously. It can detect even the slightest changes in light intensity, ensuring that your plant always receives the optimal amount of light. This sensor measures the light levels around your plant. By constantly tracking the light exposure, LeafyPod can provide real-time data on whether your plant is getting too much or too little light. This information is crucial for maintaining the health and growth of your plant. It knows how much light your plant needs. LeafyPod's intelligent system is programmed with the light requirements of a wide variety of plants. Whether you have a sun-loving tomato plant or a shade-loving peace lily, LeafyPod can adjust its recommendations to suit your plant's specific needs. And it will tell you if your plant needs more or less light. LeafyPod sends notifications to your mobile device, alerting you if your plant is not receiving the right amount of light. These alerts help you make timely adjustments, such as moving your plant to a sunnier spot or providing additional artificial light. With LeafyPod, you can be sure your plant is getting the right amount of light. This ensures that your plant can photosynthesize efficiently, producing the energy it needs to grow and flourish. A well-lit plant is a healthy plant, and LeafyPod makes it easy to achieve the perfect lighting conditions. This helps your plant grow big and strong. By providing the right amount of light, LeafyPod supports robust growth, vibrant foliage, and abundant blooms. With LeafyPod, you can enjoy the beauty and benefits of healthy, thriving plants in your home or garden. Water is essential for plant life, but overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. LeafyPod takes the guesswork out of watering. LeafyPod has a special sensor to monitor the moisture levels in the soil. It knows when your plant is thirsty, and it will let you know when it's time to water. No more guessing or soggy soil. LeafyPod ensures your plant gets the perfect amount of water. Humidity is the amount of moisture in the air. Some plants prefer high humidity, like a tropical rainforest. Others like it drier. LeafyPod monitors the humidity levels around your plant. It will suggest ways to adjust the humidity if needed. This could be as simple as misting your plant or placing it near a humidifier. LeafyPod ensures your plant enjoys the perfect level of moisture in the air. Section 5. Time for nourishment. How LeafyPod waters your plants. LeafyPod doesn't just monitor, it also takes action. When the soil gets too dry, LeafyPod automatically waters your plant. It provides just the right amount of water. LeafyPod uses a smart watering system. This system delivers water directly to the roots. This prevents overwatering and keeps your plant happy. With LeafyPod, you can rest assured that your plant will always be adequately hydrated. Section 6. A gardener's friend, benefits of LeafyPod. LeafyPod offers many benefits for plant lovers. Imagine coming home to a lush, vibrant indoor garden that practically takes care of itself. With LeafyPod, this dream becomes a reality. It takes the guesswork out of plant care. No more wondering if your plants need water or if they're getting enough light. LeafyPod's smart sensors monitor soil moisture, light levels, and even temperature, ensuring your plants get exactly what they need. It helps your plants thrive. Healthy plants not only look beautiful, but also improve air quality and create a calming atmosphere in your home. LeafyPod ensures your plants are always in their best condition, and it makes caring for plants easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, LeafyPod simplifies the process, allowing you to focus on enjoying your plants rather than worrying about their care. LeafyPod is especially helpful for people with busy schedules. If you're constantly on the go, it can be challenging to keep up with the needs of your plants. LeafyPod takes over the routine tasks, so you don't have to. You won't have to worry about forgetting to water your plants. LeafyPod's automated watering system ensures your plants get the right amount of water at the right time, giving you peace of mind. LeafyPod will take care of everything. From watering to monitoring environmental conditions, it handles all aspects of plant care, allowing you to relax and enjoy your green space. LeafyPod allows you to enjoy the benefits of having plants without the stress. Whether you're meditating, practicing yoga, or simply reading a book, you can do so surrounded by healthy, thriving plants, thanks to LeafyPod. Section 7. Thriving greenery. Tips for using LeafyPod. To get the most out of your LeafyPod, here are a few tips. First, choose the right size LeafyPod for your plant. Second, use good quality potting mix that drains well. Third, place your LeafyPod in a location where your plant will get the right amount of light. Remember to refill the water reservoir regularly. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your plants thrive with LeafyPod. Section 8. LeafyPod, a partnership for plant growth. LeafyPod is more than just a planter. It's a partner in plant care. It listens to your plant's needs, and it helps you provide the best possible care. With LeafyPod, you can deepen your connection with your plants. You can learn more about their individual needs, and you can watch them flourish under your care. LeafyPod empowers you to become a better gardener. Section 9. Stay rooted. More tips to come. Thank you for choosing LeafyPod. We're excited to join you on your plant care journey. Be sure to visit our website and follow us on social media. We regularly share tips and tricks for keeping your plants happy and healthy. Together, let's create a greener and more beautiful world, one plant at a time.